life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're looking for affordable ways to transform a bedroom. You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how I gave this tiny room to be my son's room a complete makeover on a budget, with DIY paneling, a custom story shelf and tons of little decorating ideas that you can easily try at home. As you can see, first thing to do was strip this horrible wallpaper and get the walls back to sort of a bare ready to paint state. We also went to B&Q and picked up these wall panels. They were only £15 each, so I got 2 of those. I got some paint from B&M, which was £15 a tub, and as it's a tiny room, that was enough to do the whole room. I also tried to do like a mini border because this was my idea. I am just putting the panels up to see where I want them and try and measure them by eye. Then I'm just going to get stuck in. I've got all my stuff ready. And I actually made a mistake at this point. I forgot to put the ones on the bottom first, so it did cost me a little time trying to cut out a little bit, as you can see, to get to the border. But let me tell you, this was so easy to do. So easy. It took me about half an hour to do by myself. I even gave my eldest son a little lesson in DIY as well. Not that I know what I'm doing. Like you can see, I just measured 18 inches in between, and I'm sure the last one was off a little bit, but you can't tell. I'm so excited and I think it looks pretty good. Cross your fingers and your toes that it works. So I am so impressed already, and all I did was stick them on the wall with a little bit of masking tape just to see where they were and measure them all before I actually stuck them on. Hope was there as well. She wanted to help.
Right in between my fingers. Do a little line. Excellent work. Perfect. Watch out the one.
If you're new here, this is my daughter and she is 6 years old. Her name's Hope, and she always like gets stuck in whatever I'm doing. You can see I'm finally sticking them on, and then I just had a little bit on the end and she wanted to help me again. She just loves to get involved whatever I'm doing, and I like to let her. I don't want her touching any chemicals or anything like that, but I do want to show her a bit of independence and that us girls can do anything we put our mind to. Look at her pulling faces. These kits are so easy to use. I think I'm going to do the downstairs in the hallway as well. I want to do everywhere. I panelled the living room in her house. It was a nightmare. It took me 4 days. We did it.
What are we doing with all of this?
We're going to paint them the same colour as that pink, maybe darker pink, but we need to go B&M first. We'll see what it looks like, this pink.
Can we
If
turn
not,
it white?
we'll get the other pink. Don't lean on it. It's got to dry, hasn't it? And we did it with just one of these, which is very lucky. Don't look at my outside.
Look at it.
Because I snapped the thing off. Go on then. Wow.
I think
Gonna
we'll
be
need a bit more
amazing.
paper so we can throw around in it.
Look at this big girl painting her own room. We're just doing a first little layer, and if you're wondering, I haven't sanded anything or filled anything apart from that wall. I probably should put some wood filler in, like, you know, like the gaps, but I think we're just going to paint it and see how it goes. If it needs it, we can always put it back on, but I just want to get it finished for them. Looks it. You're not coming for a break?
Nope, I don't want a break.
How cute. She was just so eager to get it finished. And once this is all painted and I'm going to let it dry, I'm going to give it a second coat. It didn't actually take that much to cover it, to be honest. It was just this awkward ledge and here. What I would have really loved to do is make this into like a little shelf ledge as well, but time and money. So I'm just peeling this off. That was super satisfying. And then I'm going to show you a progress. Gorgeous. I just need to fix where I've messed up. Get her a light shade, get the furniture in. And this needs all painting. Carpet needs a good clean too. Progress report. Panelling's done. I've done the first layer. I've just put some curtains up here. I've just put that to that side. It's so annoying that this isn't in the middle of the room, but what can you do? To be honest, this carpet is absolutely knackered, and I could do, you can see here it needs restretching. and a really good clean. But yeah, I've still got Rio's drawers in here. I'm using them as a workstation at the minute. I've got one spare thingy left over. But yeah, I am loving the paneling. So I used white silk on the skirting boards. It dries faster, it's low VOC, and you can still wipe it, and it's cheaper as well. And then I had an idea for a little like shelving thing that I wanted to do on her wall. So I'm just DIYing this. I just used masking tape, and I thought that this would be pretty straightforward and I could finish this in a day. But to my surprise, it doesn't always go to plan. This has just happened. Noticed loads of bubbles and then it just started coming off. There's probably about 7 or 8 layers of paint. What do I do now though? It's very satisfying now. I started again. I've scraped a lot of it with the scraper. You can see yellow and black. That's where I did, underneath all this, there's a big black and yellow Batman sign with Rio's name in the middle of it. And you can still see like there's a dinosaur outprint there. When Riley was in this room, I painted him a big, do you know the dinosaur off Peppa Pig? Dinosaur! Starting it again. I'm sweating. Hopefully I can blend it out in some sort of way so I don't have to strip all of the entire wall. Shouldn't do shortcuts. In all honesty, I probably should have stripped the whole wall of all this paint instead of putting more layers on. But I just wanted to get it finished. If I'm honest, I've been doing it for days and we still got to do Rio's room as well. Then I'm on to my next little project. You know, you just have a vision in your mind of what you want to do. Not sure if I can pull it off, but I'm going to try. God, they're really long. Can you say? It's like a dado rail or whatever you want to call it. But I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know how I'm going to measure them out. I had to walk down the road with these and now. I did change my top though. This is just, oh, flashing here. This is just literally me, it's my painting top. And I don't know what that is. Probably noodle juice. It has been washed. It's just a really old t-shirt. But yeah, I've got these, and what I'm going to try and do is, let me turn you over here. Can you see what's been happening? And I am not here for stripping the whole wall and starting again. So I thought what I'm going to do is cut that and do a trimming around. I mean, it will look more finished. It will definitely be prettier. So I'm going to do that. We've got the mitre block. That was, I think it was about £8 for the saw and the mitre block from B&Q. So that's good. I'm just going to do that. I'm trying to rush because I also forgot that I booked my mum in to have her nails done. So my mum's coming over to have her nails done and the house is completely upside down. Oh, I'm going to crack on and then I'll be back in a bit when this is stuck on the wall. You can completely tell when I start getting anxious and trying to rush. But I really wanted this room finished. I also wanted to get back to the kids because I kept shutting the door. I didn't want Hope to see, but I had to keep going out the room. So this took a lot longer. She was with her brothers. She's fine. And I can hear them. She just wasn't allowed to come in and see. This didn't actually look too bad. Again, could probably do with some filler. But I didn't have any filler to use. In fact, I think I did, but I just didn't want to do it. I am so impatient and I thought it actually looked okay. Next was this very old toy box, and I've got a hack for you guys. If you have stickers on anything, I actually got this from you guys. Spray some WD-40 on it, leave it for a few minutes, and then it just scrapes right off, or you can just peel them off. This worked like a treat, and I actually got this tip from one of you guys. If it's you that actually gave it me, please comment because I want to thank you because it saved me hours of peeling those stickers off. I have no idea when or how she managed to stick all of those on. But this toy box is so old. It used to be the boys when they were little, and then it's Hope's. It's a bit battered, but it saves me buying new things by repurposing it. And I just bought new pink boxes a while ago now. In fact, it must have been last year I bought the pink boxes rather than the yellow, blue and red for the boys Lego. She's got some pink ones, so I'm going to give it a really good wipe. You can see it's very dusty. We've been moving around rooms for quite a while now, so everything is just everywhere and a bit dusty. little doll's house in. I'm also doing, I got these off Amazon as well, and I'm going to pop some shelves up. These were off Amazon. I will probably just link everything I've used in the description because it was all budget friendly. These curtains, again, I got off Amazon. And these little toys are so cute. And now I'm just going to treat the carpet. I know you guys said in the last video some of you have had trouble ordering this Jimmy vacuum. I reached out to them and they give me another code and link for you guys to use. I think it's hard because a lot of sellers sell them on Amazon, but it's not the company. Please know I would never ever promote something to you guys that I don't love and that I don't believe in. I will never sell a product that I do not believe in. Everything that I've shared on my channel I use and I love, and I've turned down so many like random things that I would probably love, but I know you guys wouldn't. So you guys are important to me, so important to me. So if you ever have any trouble, just message me. I'm here and I will try and do everything I can to help you guys, because I wouldn't get to do this if it wasn't for you guys. Also got her a little cute little stick-on mirror. It is like shatterproof as well. It's really safe. I think it's acrylic actually, and a little hello beautiful sign I thought would be cute. These shelves as well that I got from Amazon, you can either have them here they stick on or you can drill them on like I have here, and they come in a pack of 6 as well, which is fab. And I'm just going to show you guys a little view of the room now. Here's her little doll house. She's had this since last Christmas, I think. There's the bunny that I painted when I was pregnant with her. I was actually on crutches. I couldn't walk due to SPD being so severe, and I painted a bunny, and it's so weird because she is obsessed with bunnies. So this is just a little view of her room. Just gonna make her bed and put some finishing touches on. Here's an overview. It's not perfect, but it is budget friendly. I love this that I made. Again, it's not perfect, but I did it myself for her and I'm just so proud. Also some stick-on bunnies. They're like decals. I don't like stickers on the walls, if I'm honest, but she loves bunnies, and I was not about to paint on the wall after the experience of it peeling. So yeah, this all came together so nicely. She's got her little table in here from downstairs and her Stitch toy. There's also another bunny. She's got her little plant that my sister-in-law got her, and her bed. And yeah, I would like to put some pictures up, but I just ran out of time, ran out of money and ran out of energy, if I'm honest. I put her a few of her little clip-on earrings and some bits and bobs just so she can, just to entice her to look in the mirror and just feel beautiful like she should do. There's only a few of them because she's got most in her little jewellery box and scattered everywhere. What do you guys think? I hope she's gonna love it. I'm exhausted. It's took me 4 days to do this and it's not properly finished, but it's finished enough for her to move in, and it's been aired out for long enough now. So I just absolutely love it. And she has been so patient for the last 4 days, so I'm going to go downstairs and get her and try and film her reaction as well, because I can't wait to see her face. And just as I went downstairs to get her, she was having a big old row with her brothers, so she's in quite a bit of a mood and she didn't want them to see.
Have a look! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! It's your brand new room! Do you love it? Look, look. Look, you've got your own reading book. Reading shelves. It said, can we have a look? It says Once Upon a Time. Got all your favourite ones out. Like, oh.
The sticker.
Yeah, you can't beat it off though.
I want to hug the bunny.
You want to hug the bunny? You want to have a look? Okay. Hello, beautiful. You got all your things. You can look in the mirror. And you've got your toy boxes are all pink and white now.
We can sit and have tea parties.
Don't log it in here because we'll be.
Hello, I am just popping on here because the camera cut off when I was filming Hope and whatnot. But as the camera cut out, she said, I don't like this room because it was Rio's room first and I don't like Rio. So, seriously, bit of mom life for you. They had a row with her brothers beforehand. They fight like cat and dog. They're all back at school and college now and homeschool, so I've had 5 minutes peace this morning. I hope you liked the video. I loved sharing it with you guys and filming the progress. I love things like this, things to do with like home decor, home inspo, DIYs, renovations. I love like all sorts of home content is all I watch when I am on YouTube. I am super grateful to you guys because without you guys I wouldn't be able to afford to go and get little bits and bobs like this for my daughter. I'm just so grateful because when I get paid from YouTube it all goes on the kids or the home or back into like cleaning content and things like that. Please don't ever think that I take you guys for granted and what I get to do. I know I'm so lucky and I really appreciate you guys so much. And with that said, I'm gonna go because I'm filling up and I don't want to cry on YouTube because I'm not a baby. I love her room. It's not perfect. I'm sure someone will comment like, I can't believe you did this or you did that or you didn't finish this and finish that. But do you know what, for me, it's good enough for me. It's good enough for my daughter. She absolutely loves it. She really does. Apart from her reaction at the start. I sat downstairs for a bit and she was just like, I want alone time in my room. I was like, okay. I was like, door open. She settled in really well and she keeps coming down and saying like, I'm really grateful for my room, mummy. And just the fact that she says grateful, like, and she knows what it means, so sweet. Like, especially because I literally put like everything into it, and I know it's still not perfect. I need to get out my mind that everything needs to be perfect. And if you guys have been following for a while, you'll know I say that a lot, progress over perfection. And we finally did the room swap. Rio's now in our room and Hope is in this room and I'm on a blow up bed downstairs. It's fine, I'll show you guys maybe in the next few videos. I just needed to get this video out so I can get all my other videos out where I'm cleaning, and because I didn't want to spoiler it, I wanted you guys to see like the whole progress and get some like home inspiration or decorating ideas. I don't know, I'm proud that I did it all like on a budget. And if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that tells like YouTube that more people can find this video, and it will also show you more videos like it. And if you want to see another room transformation, we do need to do Rio's room next, and Riley's room needs an update as well. So definitely be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you here and it's free as well. And I'm just super grateful for you guys being here. And with that said, I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.